How to clone repositories from your GitHub to Antigravity. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily clone repos from your GitHub to Antigravity. So cloning repos from GitHub to Antigravity is fairly very easy. All you will need to do is make sure that your Antigravity account and GitHub accounts are linked. If you have logged in using the same credentials of Gmail ID, then there is no issue. Your GitHub will be automatically linked with Antigravity. So in the Antigravity, you can see this option that says clone repo. So simply click onto this clone repo option, and from here you can easily choose this option that is clone from GitHub. Now this says the extension GitHub wants to sign in using GitHub. So simply click onto this allow button and it will sign into your GitHub and it will be displaying all of the repos. Now this says to finish authenticating, navigate to GitHub and paste in the above one-time code. So I'm gonna have to paste this particular code a single time before I am allowed access. So I'm gonna click onto this copy and continue to GitHub option, and from here I'm gonna type in my credentials. So let me quickly log in and then I will show you how to do the rest. So I am using up my credentials for the Windows in order for it to autofill my password, and if that fails I can easily continue with the passkey that I have already set up. So if the passkey is not working, I'll simply go to try out with the Google as I have SSO enabled. So once you are inside the GitHub, you can easily fix this out. So now let me type in my two-factor authentication, which will allow me the access to my GitHub account and where I can paste in the same. Now once after verifying, you can see that I have successfully signed in. I'm gonna continue and then I will need to paste in the code that I received, and then I can click onto this continue option again. Now I will be authorizing Google Antigravity to check out my GitHub, and I can click onto this allow option and it says congratulations, you are all set. So now I can easily clone my repos, and now you can see that all of my repos are here. And for example, let's say if I wish to clone this particular repo, I'm gonna hit the enter button and here you can see that all of the files have now been successfully created. So I can simply click onto this select as repo destination, and into this particular file my repo will be cloned. Now it says would you like to open the repository. I can click onto this open option and here you can see that the repo has been successfully cloned and open. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.